Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear friend, my dear viewers? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 2 and part number 2 about the combined letter called this in Arabic urdu Murakkabat. Remember that learn the Quran is not only reading word. It is a way to bring light and peace into our heart. So let's begin with love, patience and a beautiful word.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The first letter is Noon, and the second one Ha. The look it. The red one letter is Noon letter, and the green letter is Ha letter. The Noon letter is one dot on the top, and the Ha letter is one dot on the top. But the Noon letter shape is like this. Look it, and the Ha letter shape like this. And after this Ya, Ha, and the Ya letter is two dot under the letter, and the Ha letter is like this. After this Ba, Ji. The first letter is Ba letter, this one, and this is Jim letter. Ba, Ji. After this Ya, Mim. And the Ya letter is two dot under the letter, and the Mim letter like this. The black one, the Mim letter, and the red one, the Ya letter. After then Ba, Mim. The first letter is shaped, the Ba letter, and the second one, the Mim letter shape. After this Noon, Mim. The first letter is Noon letter, and after then the black one, Mim letter. And the Noon letter is one dot on the top, and the Mim letter is like this. After then the Ta, Mim. The first letter is Ta letter, and after then Mim letter, because the Ta letter is two dot on the top. This is different between the Ya and the Ta. The Ta letter is two dot on the top, and the Ya letter is two dot under the letter. After this Sa, Mim. The Sa letter is three dot on the top, and the Mim letter is like this. After then Ba, Ya. The first letter is Ba, and the second one, that is Ya letter. After then Ya, Ya. Here is two Ya, and here is have two Ya, and the first letter is Ya, and the second one is letter is Ya. After this Noon, Ya, Noon, Ya. The black one Noon letter, and like this, and that is Ya letter. After this Ta, Ya. The first letter Ta letter, because the Ta letter is two dot on the top, and the Ya letter like this. Okay, that is Sa, Ya. The Sa letter is three step on the top, and the Ya letter is like this. And after that Noon, Ba, Lam, Noon, Ba, Lam. The first letter Noon letter, because the Noon letter one dot on the top, and the Ba letter is one dot under the letter, and the Lam letter is like this, a long shape. So that is Lam letter. After then Ta, Noon, Lam, Ta, Noon, Lam. In the first letter Ta letter, and the second one Noon letter, and the last one Lam letter. After then Ba, Ya, Lam. The first letter is Ba letter, and after then Ya letter, and after this Lam letter. Ba, Ya, Lam. And next Ya, Ta, Lam. The first letter Ya letter, and because the Ya letter is two dot under the letter, and after then the Ta letter two dot on the top, and the last one Lam letter, and the Lam letter is Lam shape. After this Sa, Sa, Lam. The Sa letter is three dot on the top, and after then the red one, the Sa letter, and the Sa letter is three dot on the top. And keep your mind, this is different between the letters. And after last letter is Lam. Sa, Sa, Lam. After that Noon, Ba, Noon. The first letter is Noon, and the second one Ba, Ba letter, and the last one Noon letter. Noon, Ba, Noon. Because the Noon letter is one dot on the top, and the Ba letter is one dot under the letter. This is different between the Noon and the Ba. And again that is Noon letter. Again Ba, Noon, Noon. the first letter ba letter and the second one noon letter and the last one the noon letter. So the ba letter one dot under the letter and the noon letter one dot on the top. This is different between the noon and ba letter and the ta letter dot on the top. Look it again. Ta ya noon. The ta letter is two dot on the top and the letter two dot under the letter and the noon letter one dot on the top. This is between the three letters. The ta letter two dot on the top and the ya letter two dot under the letter and the noon letter one dot in the middle and on the top. After then ya ta noon, because the ya letter first letter and the ya letter two dot under the letter, the ta letter two dot on the top letter and the noon letter one dot in the middle. Ya ta noon. After then sa noon, the first two letters is sa letter and the sa letter three dot on the top. After then noon letter and the noon letter one dot in the middle. After then G, the jim letter is one dot in the middle. After then ha, that is normally ha, and you read like this ha, and the ha letter without that. After this ha, that is bold ha, you read with hardly like this ha. That is ha letter and the ha letter one dot on the top, and the everyone the green letter is bold sound. After this ha sa, the ha letter without dot and the sa letter three dot on the top. Again that is the first letter ha and the second one ba, ha ba. The first letter is ha letter, that is, and after then that is ba letter and the ba letter under the one dot under the letter and the ha letter one dot on the top. After this jim ta, the jim letter is one dot under the letter and the ta letter two dot on the top, and that is the first letter, the first shape, the jim letter. The second shape is the ta letter. Ta, ha, ta. Here is three letters. The first letter ta letter and the second one ha letter and the last one ta letter again. So because the ta letter two dot on the top and the ha letter is without dot, look it, that is. And next ya, ji, ba. The ya letter is two dot under the letter, the jim letter is one dot under the letter, and the last one ba letter. Ya, ji, ba. Next ba, ha, ta. The first letter is ba letter and the ba letter one dot under the letter, and the second one ha letter because the ha letter one dot on the top. Here look at one dot, the ha letter one on the top, and the last one ta letter. Next ta, and that is sarkalita, and that is sarkalita, and after this ha, and the sarkalita two dot on the top, and next tha, next ha, and the ha letter is like this without that. Next ba ta, the first letter ba letter and the second one ta letter, and the ta letter two dot on the top, and that is sarkalita. After this ya, ha, the first letter ya letter and the second one ha letter, and that is sarkali ha. After this ta, ha, the first letter is ta letter because the ta letter two dot on the top, and the last one ha. Next noon ta, the black one letter noon letter, and that is the after the last letter one ta letter because the ta letter two dot on the top. Ha, that is ha letter. After this ya, ha, ba, the first letter ya letter and the second one ha letter and the last one ba letter. Ya, ha, ba, because the ya letter two dot under the letter and the ba letter one dot under the letter. This is different between the ba and the ya. After then ba, ha, alif, the first letter ba letter and the second one ha letter and the last one alif letter. The ba letter one dot under the letter, the ha letter is like this, and the last one alif because that is straight line, and the straight line, look it, here is alif, the last one. Ba, ha, mim, the first letter ba letter and the second one ha letter, the last one mim letter. Next dal, dal, and the first letter that is dal letter. that they call this shape dal, and the second one zal, that is zal shape. Next jim dal, the first letter jim letter, the black one, and the last one dal letter. After this ha za, the first letter ha letter, because the ha letter one dot on the top, and the black one zal letter. After this ra, that is regular ra, that is za, that is regular za, and the ra letter without dot, and the za letter is one dot on the top. After this jim ra, the jim letter is one dot under the letter, the ra letter one dot, no dot, but the ra letter without dot. Next ha za, the ha letter is first letter, and the second one the za letter, the ha letter one dot on the top, the za letter is one dot on the top, but the ha letter shape is other and the za letter shape is different. So thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah khaira, barakallah fi ilmika wa hayatika wa shababika wa baraka fi ilmika. And understand this lesson and keep your mind what is different between the letters. So see you later. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.